Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. It's Trish. Just thought I'd stop in on here and say hello. Don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just having my first cup of tea, getting my head together. Was up very late last night, just, bebopping on the computer, and, all of a sudden it's like, I'm like getting very tired. I'm like, it's time to go to bed. On vacation, I tend to stay up very late, like to 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. And I say, I gotta get up early tomorrow. Just get out and about and see what's out there, And that's what I hope to do after my first cup of tea. Get my head together, get my act together, and go. So please stay tuned. There's more to come. Okay. So yeah, when I was checking some, looking at some YouTube videos, checking my Facebook, all that stuff. And I went to get up, and I felt this little twinge in my lower back. Not big, but it was just a twinge, and just part of me said, okay, no bike ride for you, Trish. So it's going to be just a day of whatever. I know there's something I got to show you here. Something I gotta show you. Oh, those are the CDs I gotta put back in my DJ case. But in the process of cleaning out the Volvo, which amazing to me wasn't a emotional process at all. That CD a while ago that was missing, and I had to pay a sum for a pretty good chunk of money to, fine to replacement fee. Well, guess what I found in the Volvo? Yeah, so it's pretty much mine now, and I probably paid more for the fine than I did for, for them to actually buy it, But it's mine now, and I don't know what kind of shape it's in. You pay a fine for it to replace it, and a placement fee, I guess they call it, and I don't even know what kind of shape it's in. Well, the beginning is there's some, I don't know if you could see the surface scratches, but there's little scratches there, but yeah, in the beginning of the CD there's a little surface scratches. You see them? Right there. I see them. I don't know if you see them, but yeah. Oh gosh, I found it though. I found it. I don't know how it got under the seat, I'm sure there's more stuff in there, but I think that was one of the culprits to my back. The CD's the same, but I think they lost the cover, and they obviously had a copy somewhere, and they copied the cover, and because look at that, that's a Xerox copy. Are you serious? That's definitely is a photocopy of that. Oh my gosh. Being a copy jockey, I can tell, you know? That is definitely a photocopied cover. Yeah. All right, guys. Time to have a late lunch. Today's lunch, mac and cheese, and Pepsi. I think she's missing part of her arm. Yeah, Lindor chocolate, dude. Excellent. There's a new house, or newly refurbished house. Before I forget, I gotta hit Chip with my friend and roadie Chip Tilson with a shout out and a very big happy birthday. I don't know if you watch my videos, Chip, but if you do, happy birthday. I love you, buddy. I hope you're having a great day. Look how high the water is. Holy cannoli. Running the dishwasher, doing laundry, keeping myself busy on this rainy day, the last weekday off of my vacation. Well, actually, no, Tuesday's the last day off. Tuesday's the last day of my Christmas vacation. All right. And before I forget, I would like to thank everyone in the VC and YouTube, and the VC is part of YouTube, so yeah, all my YouTube friends for making this year pretty awesome. All the gifts and cards and letters of thanks for my creative ventures and mix making. Like I've said before, you're the flame, you're the spark that keeps this engine going. You really are. And you fuel my creativity and my desire to keep going and to make more content. And I look forward to bringing more of it, more content to you in the coming year. And tomorrow night is Chip and Joyce's party, so I'll bring you some content then. Until then, peace, love, and keep the good tunes spinning. I hope everybody is staying dry on this most rainy of rainy days. Take care of each other, and be good to each other. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you tomorrow night.